Today we're talking about serverless exports, Windows Server VMs, and regular expressions. I am Priyanka Vergadia and welcome to This Week in Cloud, where we serve you the lowest latency news from the safety of home. Whether you're maintaining backups or feeding downstream analytics, exporting data out of your databases can put a strain on your production systems. In order to make it easier to schedule and maintain these data exports, we've launched a new feature for Cloud SQL, Serverless Exports. Serverless Exports enables you to export data from your MySQL and PostgreSQL database instances without any impact on performance or risk to your production workloads. Google Cloud is dedicated to providing a first-class experience for migrating and modernizing Windows workloads. That's why we've just announced several new features, all designed to make it easier to manage your Windows Server workloads. There are 3 new features in beta: boot screen diagnostics, auto upgrades for Windows 2008, and diagnostic information collection. In addition, we've released a tool designed around improved licensing reporting. The most daunting part of cloud computing is often the idea of migrating to the cloud. That's why these solution architects collected their advice and best practices into a comprehensive set of documents for the teams who are planning, designing, and implementing a migration to Google Cloud. This blog post provides a high-level outline of their guidance with links to the relevant documentation. Finally, cloud logging just got an upgrade to support regular expressions in our query language. To celebrate this moment, the software engineering lead for this project sat down to share his best tips for getting the most from your logs. Check out the interview in the blog post. If you want to read more about these announcements to see a full list, check out the links below. Any thoughts or ideas? Leave us a comment or tweet us. We'll see you in the cloud.